one of the main term one you should know is stub. So stub is a helper code used in RPC that converts procedural call into message and message into procedural call. So in RPC there is a client stub and server stub which are connected through network. Client stub packs the parameter in message and sends it to server and wait for reply from the server. When client sends the parameter packed message to the server, it receives the message and it unpacks it to load parameters in its database. Then real function happens on the server, and then the result is again being packed in a message and sent back to the client stub. So stub hides the communication, that is user can't able to know that all of things is happening behind the scene on the server side. So this is the detailed steps of RPC flow, where client program function makes function call on the to the server. That function call from client side goes to the client stub. Client stub makes the packing of parameters in a message. This is known as the marshalling. That is, this process is marshalling. Client OS then sends this packed message to the server. Server OS receives the message and send it to server stub, and then after the server stub unpacks this message. This is process called unmarshalling. Server now execute the real function call on its server side and execute it. Server returns the result to the stub, and stub again packs it in the message and returns it to the client OS through network. Client OS unpacks it and give the result to the client. Issues we face in RPCs are transparency issues. RPC tries to provide